Weighted dips. For this one, you need a dip belt, you need weight, you need some sort of dip bars or a dip station, and a box or something to step from, especially if you're going heavier and heavier. So you have two ways to place the weight. Either you place the weight pretty far down around your ankles. Many people choose this when they go super, super heavy for around 2 to 5 reps because the center of mass is slightly better, but it also has cons where you start to swing. So you need to have that in mind. What we recommend if you're just starting with weighted dips is to have it around like your knees, this height. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so we do like this. This is too low. So like this, around here, and let's go. So what I want you to think of when doing weighted dips is to depress your shoulders, get your shoulders in here so you close your chest. And from here, I don't want you to be in an open position with your core and arch back. I want you to close the core, so more into a hollow body position here. And when you go down, you're gonna go down in a slightly piked position. Not in an arch position where your legs are further back, but more underneath you. So let me demonstrate step by step what I just said. So from here, what you want to do, don't hang with the weight here. I want you to depress the shoulders, get your shoulders more forward, like this, so you close the chest, and close the legs as well, here. And from this position, you go down to 90 degrees, and then push back up. So down, 90 degrees, and then push back up. You want to try to squeeze the weight so it doesn't start swinging, because if it starts swinging, it will be much harder to control. And the reason why we recommend that you close your chest like this and have the depressed position and hollow is that you generate much more power for the exercise, because in weighted dips, if you go heavier and heavier, you want to think about your safety more and the injury risk. So that's why you want to close this. You don't want to open up here and hang in this position with a lot of weight. Close this position, depress, so you have more control and more power. But the important thing is when you go down is that you go to 90 degrees, that your body follows with you as well, and then you push back up. So let me demonstrate a couple of reps.